Liberia, here.
Way Too Nappy TV. We are out here with the Garden Boy man himself. You've been doing great things, man. Grammy Award winning, you feel me? Nominated for Sensational, being a part of that, man. Yeah. It's LIB Independence, but before we get to that, man, how has that been feeling and the growth and stuff? And now you're getting ready to release your album.
You know, all I can say is, God's been working, man.
Yeah.
God's been working. So, I'm just sitting down, absorbing all the knowledge I need and just going forward.
Yep. All right, bet. So it's LIB Independence. You are Liberian yourself. So what does being Liberian mean to you?
Liberian means everything being from Liberia to me. Honestly, I feel like we have the best food. I feel like our women have the best shape if you're looking for that. Mm-hmm. I would say most girls in the U.S. look for that BBL shape. The girls from Liberia have that. And I'll tell you much, they ain't going to Miami or they ain't going overseas to get that. It's just full natural. So I feel like we got all that. And Liberia's beautiful, man. Come on.
Yep. So you've been all around now. We see you've gone to Cali and doing all that. But I've always somehow see you come out and come back and reach your people. I remember going back to Boss Man's Club out on South Street and stuff and seeing you there. And now you've gotten big and out the world, but you never get too big for your people. We out here on West 8th Street in Trenton celebrating LIB Independence. It's a beautiful thing to see. So why do you miss the people and how do you feel about you? Well, Boss Man.
Honestly, between me and you, I was born in Jersey.
Okay.
So that's where, Jersey, the Garden State. So I'm the Garden Boy, So It's like my roots are from here. You feel me? So, I had to come back home, man.
Got to. I bet. So, you're from Jersey, you out here now, but what can the people look out and what can they find you out and what do you want them to know about you, if anything?
That album is going to drop soon. We're about to be the biggest in the world. First, it's going to be TLA, it's going to be Fillmore, it's going to be the rest of them. And after that, it's Madison Square Garden, man.
Yep,
you hear it first.
Switch up your style, your flow, everything, man. You're doing great. It's good to see you. Way Too Nappy. We've come a long way. We're getting older, and I'm just happy to see your growth, and I'm a documenter on my way, my guy.
Man. We out here friendly.
Yep, LIB. Yep.
Garden Boy, man. Y'all want to follow me on Instagram? That's GVRDENBOY. The first, the only, and the last. Let's go.
Way Too Nappy TV. We out of here.
I wanna show you to my mama. Let's go to Ghana.